Hey everyone, I'm your crypto buddy and welcome to my channel CoinTube English, your favorite spot for all the things in Memecoin. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, a brand new platform called Axiom. So Axiom is the hands down one of the best trading terminals for meme coins I've seen. Previously, I was using Photon and NeoBullX, but I've seen it's so fast, it's clean and packed with pro level features tailored specifically for meme traders like us. But here is the twist. Axiom Pro is invite only. That's right. Not everyone gets in. Luckily, I've partnered directly with Axiom Pro team and we have secured VIP status for CoinTube. That means exclusive access, early features and something amazing benefit for our community. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through to the platform, show what it makes special and tell you how you might be able to join. So as you can see, this is the interface of the Axiom Pro. You already get the Twitter tracker as well as the wallet manager over here. And also I have the wallet addresses of the top alpha groups and the top whales and all the calls right in this notepad area. So please make sure to join via my link and I will share this wallet tracker as well as the Twitter alerts handles to my community. So I will tell you all the important features and everything in this video. So let's start with the scratch. So first, this is my invite only link for the CoinTube official channel. First of all, you'll need the link as well as the Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet looks like this. You can download this from Google extension. And once you click here, just go to the sign up, click on sign up and then connect with Phantom. The pop-up will open. Just log into your Phantom wallet address. I am giving you a demo. So this is my burner wallet as you can see. And then you just need to connect here. Once you connect, you will come up with this sign in message. Click confirm and you will again get a sign in message for the activity creation. Click confirm and one more confirm. You are successfully authenticated and recovery key is loaded. Here is your recovery key. You can just click reveal here and copy the key. Go to Phantom and add the account. Click on import recovery phrase, click here and you just need to paste the key over here and click on import wallet. Now you successfully imported your account, click continue. Why I did this? Because you'll save the recovery key in the form of wallet and now click on get started. And now you need to deposit some Solana. So what I'm going to do is I'll just copy this wallet. So as you can see, there is no balance in this wallet. I've just funded this wallet. So the funds will arrive anytime. As you can see, I've loaded 0.71 SOL. Let's go back to the wallet. So as you can see, we have 0.71 SOL. So best thing about this Axiom Pro is pays you for your trade. Means if you trade something and it will give you Solana back. I will quickly show you that. First, we need to set the slippage and everything. And for the video purpose, I'm going to buy this coin. Before going ahead, this is a fresh wallet. We loaded 0.71 SOL. And if you go to the rewards, you'll see we have 0 points. But with the referral code which I gave you mine, you can earn 2x rewards. This is a totally new account and you'll see if we take the first trade and this will give us back some Solana. So just go to the pulse and let's take this trade. There is an instant trade option also there. So I will just, for the video purpose, I'm going to take this trade. As you can see, we bought instantly with less fees and we are already in profit. As you can see, it's pumping right now. And just for the video sake, I'm selling this. So transaction is confirmed. We sold around 70,000 and you can see I received some SOL here. See, I received some SOL here. So this is what this is. And if you go back to rewards, and if you check here, congratulations, trade more to earn more. You received 0.02. But this is so cool, right? And also there is an inbuilt Twitter tracker and the wallet tracker. So this is the wallet address tracker and Twitter address tracker. So what I'll do is, so I have these wallets. I'm just going to add them. So click on import, then come back here, paste your wallets and click on import. Now you can see we have all the wallets and their latest activities. So if you want to check what they are doing, just go to the trackers and you can check the live trades. So if you just open this, you'll see when they buy, when they sell, and everything. We have these wallet addresses. These are the top calls and the whales, and I'm going to give this free. Just use the link below and join the Telegram, and I'm going to give this free. So let's go ahead, and you can see this is very clean UI. You can add wallet tracker here, Twitter tracker. You can also make your PNL. You can just hover this around, so it will show your PNL. Then you can change your all the icons and everything. I'm from Asia. I'm selecting Asia. There is a toggles here. So if you click here, it will show you this tab. So for example, if I want to just close this. I'm just closing this PNL tracker. So this is a pure coin, but for the video purpose, if I want to watch this token, I can click on watch to add to watch list, and you can see it's added to the watch list. I can delete it anytime. I can hide this toggle, and next there is a notification setting. So whatever the wallets we set up, we will receive the notification, and you can adjust the sound and everything. And then there is a customization theme, which is very good. So if you want to change the color of the buttons and everything, you can do that. I'll just select the yellow. So you can see this is now yellow. I just quickly click on claim. You can see the chain buttons are changed. You will see this mainly on the timeline. So I'll just click on color one more time, and I will select it light blue and click on done. Now you can see it's done. Now what you can do is there is a display option. You can make it text smaller to larger. You can also show the search bar. So you'll see the search bar is, you can search the token of whatever you want. So I want to search ABG token. So you can see I can quickly do that. Then there is Excel buttons. I'll zoom it out. You can see the buy button is now Excel. This button is, I'll make it normal. Then you can hide the tokens. Then you can make these images circle or square like this. Also, you can change the progress bar. Now you can see it is green line around as a border. It's a progress line. But if you want to make it a bar, you can do that as well. Now you can make the table separate. You can hide the market cap if you want. You can hide the volume if you want, transaction. Everything is customizable. And also you can change the preset setting. It's all there. Okay. And the cool feature about this, you can add wallet tracker, and you can, if you want to move your wallet tracker here, you can do that as well. So you can see the Lins bought the token. This is real time, right? So this is cool. Also in the Twitter, you can see there is a Truth Social feed. They have just updated this. So you can go to my account and click on the features. Now you can custom PNL cards. You can add your favorite images, and you can just go to it. You can see all the updates here. They are constantly updating their website and make this beneficial for the traders. And you can see we actually get earn. I'm not kidding. I've not taken any more trades. I received the points. I've received the soul. And as you can see, the graph is up. And I can claim this soul anytime. People are making 5 to 7 soul, more than 10 soul, depending upon their portfolio. And you can join their quest as well, and you can complete their points. Everything is you can customizable. Also, by looking at this, you can you can go through your Twitter channel, everything. And also there is a trending button. I'll make the video about this in the future, how you can earn constantly with Memecoin without losing much money. So that's it for this video. Please make sure to join via CoinTube channel, and you will earn more, and you will have 10 to 20% less fees compared to other refer code. So please make sure to join via my CoinTube referral link and join my Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube channel. Till then, do something new, do something big, do something unique, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.